The Red Sea is a vital waterway for global trade. This narrow strip of water, nestled between Africa and Asia, serves as a crucial artery for the movement of goods and resources across the globe. It connects Asia to Europe and Africa, forming a bridge between the East and the West. This connection is not just geographical but also economic, as it facilitates the exchange of commodities, cultures, and ideas. Acting as a conduit for goods and energy, the Red Sea sees a constant flow of container ships and tankers. These vessels carry everything from consumer electronics to crude oil, making the Red Sea an indispensable part of the global supply chain. Millions of barrels of oil transit the Red Sea daily, fueling global economies. This oil is essential for powering industries, heating homes, and fueling vehicles, underscoring the Red Sea's role in maintaining the energy security of many nations. The Suez Canal, located at the northern end of the Red Sea, further amplifies its importance. This man-made marvel allows ships to bypass the lengthy and treacherous journey around the southern tip of Africa, significantly reducing travel time and costs. This man-made channel significantly shortens shipping routes between east and west. By cutting down the distance ships need to travel, the Suez Canal enhances the efficiency of global trade, making it a linchpin in international logistics. The Red Sea's strategic location makes it a focal point for international interest. Nations around the world have a vested interest in ensuring the security and stability of this vital waterway, as any disruption could have cascading effects on global trade. Countries around the world rely on the safe passage of goods through this maritime route. From electronics and textiles to food and fuel, the Red Sea is a critical link in the supply chains that keep economies running smoothly. Any disruption to this flow of commerce has far-reaching consequences. Delays or blockages can lead to shortages, price hikes, and economic instability, affecting everything from the availability of consumer goods to the cost of energy. Therefore, maintaining peace and stability in the Red Sea is paramount for the global economy. International naval forces often patrol these waters, working together to deter piracy, smuggling, and other threats to maritime security. The Red Sea region, however, is grappling with instability and conflict. Political tensions and armed conflicts in surrounding countries pose significant challenges to the security of this crucial waterway. Yemen, situated on the Red Sea's eastern shore, has been engulfed in a devastating civil war. This conflict has not only caused immense human suffering, but also disrupted maritime activities threatening the safe passage of ships. The conflict has created a power vacuum, allowing militant groups to thrive and threaten international shipping lanes. These groups often engage in acts of piracy and terrorism, further complicating the security landscape of the Red Sea. This volatile situation necessitates a coordinated global response to safeguard this critical waterway. International coalitions and naval alliances are essential in maintaining the security and stability of the Red Sea, ensuring that it remains open and safe for navigation. The Red Sea's importance to global trade cannot be overstated. Its strategic location and the sheer volume of goods that transit its waters make it a vital artery in the global economy, supporting the livelihoods of millions of people around the world. Its strategic location and the volume of goods that transit its waters make it a vital artery in the global economy. The Red Sea's role in connecting major economic hubs underscores its significance in international trade and commerce. The ongoing conflicts and security challenges in the region pose a significant risk to this vital trade route. Ensuring the safety and security of the Red Sea is a complex task that requires constant vigilance and international cooperation, underscoring the need for international cooperation to ensure its stability and security. The collective efforts of nations around the world are crucial in preserving the Red Sea as a safe and reliable passage for global trade. The Houthi rebels, an Iran-backed militia group, have emerged as a major threat to maritime security in the Red Sea. Over the past few years, their activities have escalated, causing significant concern among international maritime authorities and governments around the world. Operating from Yemen, the Houthis have repeatedly attacked commercial vessels traversing these waters. These waters are crucial for global trade, as they connect the Mediterranean Sea to the Indian Ocean via the Suez Canal, making them a vital artery for international shipping. Their tactics include the use of sea mines, explosive-laden boats, and anti-ship missiles. These methods are not only sophisticated but also highly dangerous, posing a significant risk to both commercial and military vessels navigating the region. These attacks are not random acts of piracy, but calculated attempts to disrupt international shipping. The Houthis aim to create instability and fear, thereby gaining leverage in their broader conflict within Yemen and against their adversaries. The Houthis aim to pressure the international community and exert leverage in the ongoing Yemeni conflict. By targeting maritime routes, they hope to draw attention to their cause and force negotiations on their terms. Their actions have drawn condemnation from world leaders and maritime organizations. The international community has been vocal in its disapproval, calling for immediate cessation of these hostile activities. The targeting of civilian vessels is a blatant violation of international law, further isolating the Houthis on the global stage. Such actions undermine the principles of safe and free navigation, which are essential for global commerce and security. The Houthi threat extends beyond attacks on commercial vessels. They have also shown a willingness to engage military targets, further escalating tensions in the region. They have also targeted warships operating in the Red Sea, including those belonging to the United States and its allies. These aggressive actions have prompted a stronger military presence in the area to safeguard maritime routes. These actions highlight the growing capabilities of the Houthis and their willingness to engage in direct confrontation with international forces. Their access to advanced weaponry, likely supplied by external actors, has significantly increased their threat level. The situation underscores the complex security challenges in the region and the need for a multifaceted approach to address the Houthi threat. This includes coordinated military efforts, intelligence sharing, and strategic planning among allied nations. The international community is increasingly concerned about the Houthi rebels' activities in the Red Sea. Diplomatic efforts are underway to address the root causes of the conflict and to find a sustainable solution that ensures the safety of maritime routes. Their attacks on commercial shipping and military vessels pose a direct threat to global trade and regional stability. The disruption of these routes can have far-reaching economic consequences, affecting markets and supply chains worldwide. Addressing this growing threat requires a concerted effort from the international community, including diplomatic pressure on the Houthis and their sponsors. Engaging in dialogue and negotiations is crucial to de-escalate the situation and to bring about a peaceful resolution, as well as enhanced maritime security measures to protect vital shipping lanes. Increased naval patrols, better surveillance, and international cooperation are essential to safeguard these critical maritime routes and ensure the free flow of commerce. Joint military operations and international naval exercises are being conducted to improve readiness and response capabilities. These efforts aim to deter further Houthi aggression and to maintain stability in the region. In parallel, humanitarian aid and efforts to resolve the Yemeni conflict are crucial. Addressing the humanitarian crisis and fostering peace talks can help reduce the Houthis' motivations for such aggressive actions. The role of global leaders and international organizations, such as the United Nations, is pivotal in mediating and implementing resolutions that promote peace and security. Peacekeeping missions and diplomatic interventions are necessary to stabilize the region. The future of maritime security in the Red Sea will depend on a combination of technological advancements, resilient shipping practices, and sustained international cooperation. By working together, the global community can mitigate the threats posed by the Houthis and ensure the safety of one of the world's most important maritime corridors. In response to the escalating Houthi threat, an international coalition led by the United States launched Operation Prosperity Guardian. This operation is a significant step towards ensuring the safety and security of one of the world's most crucial maritime routes. The Red Sea is a vital artery for global trade, and any disruption here can have far-reaching consequences on international commerce and stability. This operation aims to deter Houthi aggression and safeguard freedom of navigation in the Red Sea. The strategic importance of this waterway cannot be overstated, as it connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Indian Ocean via the Suez Canal, facilitating the movement of goods between Europe, Asia, and beyond. Ensuring its security is paramount for maintaining the global supply chain. The coalition comprises naval forces from several countries committed to maintaining maritime security in the region. These nations have come together, recognizing the shared responsibility of protecting international waters. The collaboration includes not only military assets but also intelligence sharing and coordinated efforts to address the multifaceted threats posed by the Houthi rebels. Operation Prosperity Guardian involves a multi-pronged approach. This comprehensive strategy includes increased naval patrols, advanced surveillance operations, and robust defensive measures. Each element of the operation is designed to address specific threats and ensure a rapid response to any incidents that may arise. Increased naval patrols and surveillance operations are being conducted to detect and deter Houthi activity. The use of cutting-edge technology, such as surveillance drones and advanced radar systems, enhances the coalition's ability to monitor vast areas of the sea, identify potential threats, and respond swiftly to any hostile actions. The coalition is also providing escort services to commercial vessels transiting high-risk areas, ensuring their safe passage through the Red Sea. These escort missions are crucial for protecting merchant ships from potential attacks, thereby maintaining the uninterrupted flow of goods and resources that are essential for the global economy. Additionally, efforts are underway to train and equip regional partners to enhance their maritime security capabilities. By building the capacity of local forces, the coalition aims to create a sustainable security environment that can withstand future threats. Training exercises and equipment handovers are integral parts of this initiative, fostering stronger regional cooperation and resilience. The operation has successfully disrupted several Houthi attacks and seized significant quantities of weapons and explosives destined for the rebels. These interdictions not only weaken the Houthis' operational capabilities, but also send a strong message that the coalition is vigilant and proactive in its efforts to maintain security. These successes demonstrate the coalition's resolve to counter the Houthi threat and maintain the free flow of commerce through the Red Sea. The achievements of Operation Prosperity Guardian highlight the effectiveness of international cooperation and the importance of a united front in addressing common security challenges. The operation sends a clear message that the international community will not tolerate threats to maritime security in this vital waterway. The presence of a formidable naval force serves as a deterrent to potential aggressors, reinforcing the commitment to uphold the rule of law and protect the interests of all nations that rely on the Red Sea for trade and transportation. Operation Prosperity Guardian is a testament to the commitment of the international community to uphold the rule of law at sea. The agreements and partnerships forged through this operation lay the groundwork for long-term stability and security in the region, ensuring that the Red Sea remains a safe and secure passage for all. The operation is crucial for deterring Houthi aggression, protecting commercial shipping, and ensuring the stability of the Red Sea region. By maintaining a strong and vigilant presence, the coalition helps to prevent disruptions that could have significant economic and geopolitical repercussions. The success of this mission relies on the continued cooperation and coordination among participating nations, as well as the support of the international community. The shared commitment to maritime security fosters a sense of unity and purpose, driving the collective efforts to safeguard international waters and promote peace and stability in the region.